Hello guys, I want to say congratulations to everyone that has been with us since July 1st, 2023 till this day, the 9th of August 2023. It's been a successful period so far. We've recorded about 31 winnings and 8 losses. So I believe that should be a 95% win rate so far. And I want to say congratulations once again to everyone. I want to say congratulations to all my subscribers, both old and new, and the intending subscribers. As you all know, the free trial for our premium 2 odds has come to an end, and I believe that moving forward on our premium as to us, we'll be able to record more winnings and also try as much as possible to achieve our set goal, which is to create wealth through our sport betting. So in this platform, our main aim is to provide you with value in so that you can create a wealth in sport betting. Okay guys, our premium service starts tomorrow, being the 10th of August 2023. If you are interested in joining us, I will leave my WhatsApp link in the comment section. You can as well chat me up, and also our Telegram channel is live. You can also join our Telegram channel. So I have mentioned the fees or the subscription fee to join our premium service, which is a $70 for foreigners. Then Nigerian will pay 25,000 only, and the subscription is period is 1 month, and after that you renew. Okay, that's all I have to say. Congratulations once again to everyone that plays today game. Thank you for staying tuned, and see you tomorrow in our next video, which will be a record of tomorrow's games that we have won. Okay, thank you once again.